I finally am upgrading my lights. I don't know if you guys noticed, or maybe you didn't. I got a crappy light system. I bought it for 20 bucks. You know what? And it worked, but the damn holder's broken. You know what? I saw all these YouTubers and TikTokers with this big ring always in the background. Wondered, what is that? What is that thing they're using? Found out it was a ring light kit. So I decided to go on Amazon and buy my own. And I got the one from Neewer. That's what everyone else bought, it looked like, because there was a bunch of reviews, and that's why I bought it. This thing was $79. It can actually fit my, it has a stand at the bottom here. It's got the light, obviously. It can fit my cell phone and my DSLR camera. So, I'm quite impressed. Let's get this thing unboxed and set up and see if it's really worth the $80 that I spent. I wonder if it's going to make me look a little better. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, first thing I see in a box is another box. Second thing I see in a box is a Neewer case. Let's set these up. Let's get this down so you can see it a little bit better. Squeegee, squeegee on the zoom in. I take it this is the stand. Let's open this up. Alright. Okay. I'm going no manual today. No manual. I better know how to undo a tripod. Quality. Decent, decent. Could be better, could be worse. Actually, it's not bad, not bad. Probably about a... I'll see when I get this thing set up. Yeah. Not judging so early. You're not going to judge early. I think I do tighten this though. Make sure they were mentioning something about unloosening that thing at first. Yeah, I saw something. Alright, next. I don't know what that is. I don't know what you are. We'll deal with you later. Let's get to the good stuff. I like the case. Definitely need that. Alright, we got another box inside of a bag. Deal with you later too. There we go. Get the LEDs around. This thing's going to provide ample lighting. We got some kind of cable coming out of there, probably the power cable. On-off button, switch or thingamajig. Let's set you over here. See if there's anything else in here. Alright, nothing else. So, this is good. This is going to be a pretty easy setup. Alright, let me get my things together and I'll be right back. Alright, let's start with this stand. Sorry about my placement. You got this little lever here that locks everything into place. Make sure that's tight. Loosen it to undo it. Tighten it to do it. It's nice and sturdy. Now, we got 3 clamps here. So this thing extends out a lot. Really like that. That's awesome. Look at that. So far, so good, Neewer. So far, I'm liking you. This is going to be easy to break down, easy to set up. Now, let's get the top attachment here. I take it that this goes on here. Alright, so this, probably, let's just get this unscrewed. I'm thinking this goes on top. Let's see. Get that unscrewed all the way. Make sure it's complete. I didn't have to unscrew it that much. Alright, let's see. Let's put this in. Oh, damn. Does that go there? It does. Let me screw it in and see if it locks. Make sure you guys can see this. I'm just going to put that on top and screw this in.
It seems like it goes on top there, but it's a little loosey-goosey. Wait a minute. Make sure that I'm not missing something else. No. Alright, let's just screw this in like so. Yeah, alright. Locks it up top. Okay, obviously it goes on there. Alright, next up is this little box here that I forgot I had. Let's open up this. Whoa. Alright, we got, oh, this is for the cell phone attachment piece. Sweet. We got some filters. White. Orange. Cool. Sweet. Looks like a Bluetooth remote shutter. That's really cool. Manual. Don't need you yet. We got our AC adapter and our power cord. Sweet. So this needs to always be plugged in. Battery would be nice. I wonder if they make a version with the battery, but it's okay. Alright, let's get that out of here. Okay, let's start the assembly. Get this on here. Alright, now you just take the light ring and slide that right on top, like so. Screw these in. Solid. Quality's pretty decent. Wish it was a little tighter, but I'm not complaining, just observing. Okay, so that's the ring light. Looks pretty good. It's not on yet. So far, the setup has been very easy. Now I'm just gonna find out how to attach my DSLR camera to it. And then let's get the filters put on right now. I'm gonna rock the white ones. Let's see. These look self-explanatory. Let's start with the bottom one here. So it looks like it goes on the outer ring. Perfect. Snaps right in place. Sweet. Grab another one. Okay. Last but not least, let's get this last one snapped on here. Make sure it goes underneath the tab of the other ones. Okay, alright. All of them are on. So quality's decent, about a 7 out of a 10. Does feel a little plasticky. I know it is plastic, but alright, tighten those up. Okay, now let's see about any other attachments, and we'll get it plugged in, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright, so you got two options here. The smartphone attachment, which you can use, but you need to get this piece on here first. And this also, you can attach your DSLR camera. So you just take the bottom piece, kind of unscrew it a little bit, slide it in like so. And it's cool, it's adjustable. So you can actually have it back a little bit. Really nice touch. Good job, Neewer. Once again, they thought of everything. Okay, get that tightened. And then, so I can't show you my camera here. What I'm going to do is probably switch to my smartphone. I'll put my camera on here, tighten it, then switch to my smartphone and show you guys how it looks. And this is adjustable as well. Let's just see how this works. It looks like you just unscrew it. Unscrew it, it loosens everything. Let's just see how tight it gets when I screw it, because once again I do not want my camera falling. All right, so tight. It is pretty tight. Oh, cool, and it screws down too. Perfect, perfect. Good job, Neewer, once again. Nice, solid. Like, look at this. It's hard to even move right here. So I can attach my camera pretty well. I just don't want this moving as much, but I'm pretty sure there's some tightening effects to keep it from moving in circles. I don't want this moving as much. Maybe that screws down as well, I don't know. It doesn't look like it. All right, let me get my camera on and we'll switch over to my cell phone. All right, it's on. Look at that. This is me filming from my cell phone. There's the DSLR. Look how cool that is. I can actually now, I don't need separate lighting. I can put the DSLR right on top of the ring light here. We have my the power cable coming out. You have your dimmer switch down there. You can attach a cell phone, DSLR, tablet. This thing dims down quite low. Let me see if I can dim it for you guys. Just like that. Yeah, so nice little dim there. The stand is quality. It goes way higher than what I have it here. Nice and sturdy, so it's not going to drop anything. That's a big concern. You don't want your cameras dropping. All right, so that's this angle. I'm going to switch back to my DSLR Canon and let you guys see how it looks from there. That's how it looks, everybody. That is fantastic. Neewer, you did a great job. I'm going to rate this thing an 8 out of 10. The build quality can be a little better, and I kind of wish there was a battery pack. But other than that, this is fantastic. That's just showing you guys my apartment and the lighting. This is from a distance. It really brightens everything up. You can dim it down. You can brighten it. That's at its max. I can actually go low. Yeah, this thing is better than I thought, guys. So really, really good quality. A couple of small things to improve on. But other than that, this thing is fantastic. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's time to start filming, baby. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.